Welcome back to our series on AI and machine learning. In our final lesson, we'll look ahead to the future of AI and delve into important ethical considerations. We'll discuss emerging trends, ethical issues, techniques to address bias and fairness, and the various career paths available in the field of AI. Let's start with the future of AI. One of the most promising trends is the application of AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing how we diagnose and treat diseases. For example, machine learning models can analyze medical images to detect conditions like cancer at an early stage, leading to more effective treatments. AI is also being used to personalize medicine, tailoring treatments to individual patients based on their unique genetic makeup and health data. Another exciting trend is AI ethics. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the ethical implications of its use are gaining attention. This includes ensuring that AI systems are designed and used in ways that are fair, transparent, and respect users' privacy. AI ethics also covers the development of guidelines and regulations to prevent misuse and ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. AI and creativity is another fascinating area. AI is being used to generate music, art, and even write poetry. For example, OpenAI's GPT-3 can produce human-like text, while DeepArt uses neural networks to create paintings in the style of famous artists. These creative applications of AI are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do and raising interesting questions about the nature of creativity and the role of AI in artistic expression. Next, let's address ethical considerations in AI. One major issue is data privacy. AI systems often require vast amounts of data to function effectively, raising concerns about how this data is collected, stored, and used. Ensuring that data privacy is maintained and that individuals' personal information is protected is crucial. Algorithmic bias is another significant ethical concern. Bias can occur when AI systems are trained on biased data, leading to unfair and discriminatory outcomes. For instance, an AI hiring system might favor certain demographics over others if it is trained on biased hiring data. Addressing algorithmic bias is essential to ensure that AI systems are fair and equitable. Transparency is also critical. Users need to understand how AI systems make decisions, especially in high-stakes areas like healthcare and criminal justice. Transparent AI systems that can explain their decisions help build trust and accountability. Lastly, let's explore the career paths available in the field of AI. As AI continues to grow, so do the opportunities for professionals in this area. Some key roles include data scientist. Data scientists analyze and interpret complex data to help organizations make informed decisions. They use statistical methods and machine learning techniques to uncover patterns and insights. Machine learning engineer. These engineers design, build, and deploy machine learning models. They work on developing algorithms and systems that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions. AI researcher. AI researchers focus on advancing the field of AI by developing new theories, algorithms, and technologies. They often work in academic institutions, research labs, or tech companies. AI ethicist. AI ethicists examine the ethical implications of AI and work on developing guidelines and policies to ensure that AI is used responsibly. They address issues like bias, privacy, and transparency. In conclusion, the future of AI holds tremendous potential, with transformative trends in healthcare, creativity, and ethical considerations. Addressing ethical issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency is crucial to ensure that AI benefits all of society. Understanding techniques to identify and mitigate bias can help create fairer AI systems. Finally, the growing field of AI offers diverse career paths, providing exciting opportunities for those interested in shaping the future of technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI and machine learning. We hope you've gained valuable insights and are inspired to explore this dynamic and impactful field further. Stay curious and keep learning.